Oh, it's so sexy, y'all.
I don't know where you're going or when you're coming home. I left the keys under the bed to our front door. For one more chance to hold you close. I don't know where you're going. Get yourself back.
We both knew this type of life didn't come with instructions, so I'm trying to do my...
Say hi, Nike. Say hi. Hi guys. Vlog takeover by KK and Alice. I will be interviewing people how their experience.
People, family na.
Family, oh, sige. Hello? Hi. Nike. How's your experience?
It's okay. It's good.
Good?
Yeah.
Rate it out of 10.
Maybe 8. 8.
Okay. Next.
Yes.
How's your experience?
Awesome.
Rate it 1 to 10.
11.
Wow. Sige.
Interviewin mo yung pambato ng Singapore.
Teka lang, ako na. Sige guys, it's me. A day in my life as a... Basta yun.
It's okay. It's okay.
Let's go now.
Another round of pizza.
Why would you go here if you don't know how to play?
Show them how you play.
What the fuck? Never do that again. Just don't show up if you don't know how to do it.
Yes. It's embarrassing, right? Yeah, it's so
It's
embarrassing.
like a big embarrassment to the clan.
Yeah, like imagine we're all here.
Imagine Kolyado clan is here and then you're just gonna put your ball inside.
Yeah.
The gutters?
The gutter? Oh my god, so
What the
embarrassing.
hell?
Yes!
No, because it's the other hand, it's greasy and distracting. The reason why my ball gets into the gutters a lot, because look at my other hand, it's so oily, it's greasy So, but you know what? I'm not gonna make excuses.
How do you use
This one, it distracts me kasi, I easily get icky and stuff. So yeah, but I'm not here to make excuses.
Okay.
I'm here to just do it, like Nike, do it. Promise you, let's try.
A few moments later.
Ngayon po, mag-i-interview na muna tayo ng mga tao habang tumitira po yung vlogger natin. Ayan po. Sige, medyo gumigit na siya. Mukhang makakaspare na naman ng Inday. Ayun. Maganda. Hi po. Mag-i-interview lang po. What's your name po?
I'm Jennifer.
Oh, sige po. How old are you po?
I'm 45.
Wow. Sige, so how's your experience naman po here?
There's no experience because I'm not playing naman.
So why are you not playing po?
I just don't feel like playing.
Sige po, umalis ka na po. Sige po. Interview po. What's your name?
John,
How's your experience po?
okay naman.
Rated out of 1 to 10.
5.
5? Oh, sige. Medyo mababa. What's your name?
Weng,
How's your experience?
fun, it's fun.
Rated from 1 to 10.
9,
Next. Ay, oh, sige. What's your name?
Where's Dre?
Guys, that's it for my vlog. Sige. Ay, naka-strike si Worth Dre. Oh, lapitan si Worth Dre. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Excuse me po, Worth Dre. How's the experience?
Ha? Kala nyo ba yung interviewin? Porkit nakadalawang strike ko, interviewin nyo na ako. I had 2 strikes. Now we'll beat these titos who are balding. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, so once again, thank you for watching.
What's up, senor? Worthies. I'm here with the owner. The motherfucking Chicky. So we have different alleys for the bowling ball, one for the kids. Si Chicky nasa smurfing eh, oh. Nandun siya sa kids section.
Nandito ako sa inyo, baka hindi nyo kaya.
Oh, calm down. Nandun ako sa adult section, you know. Okay, so watch out. Ayun na si Junjun! Oy!
Ayan ang pala si Jun.
Ayun na Junjun.
Ala naman to ha? Bakit ka tumatawa kay Junjun?
Ang kinis wala ni Jun. Yes, ma'am. What's your order po? What's your order po, ma'am? Ano pa po? 1 Coke, 1 cheesecake, 1 pizza.
I didn't order.
Ay, hindi. Ma'am, pagoy. Ay, sorry.
Right? That's good.
Okay.
Si ate.
Mapapansin niyo pag nagsasalita si Tito J, lagi siya nakangiwi. Bakit kaya? Sa tingin mo bakit?
Siguro kasama siya dun sa 500%. Sa 500% ng ay, mali! Ay!
Ako alam ko. Para siguro hindi natin maamoy yung kinain niya. Paano sample?
Yung ganito, ano? Kung nasan yung tao, doon kayo iwas. Kunwari, ito, nandito yung mic, ano? Okay lang ako.
Guys, sobrang galing ko mag-bowling. Naka-strike ako. Pressure ka ba?
No.
Pressure ako lang to.
This motherfucker thinks she's gonna have a strike again.
So proud of yourself.
Don't be greedy. Oh, wow. No.
O yan?
More boy. Oh, more boy. Oh shit. Ay, gumit na. Yeah.
Okay, we're leaving. Bye guys. Say bye. Bye. Morning guys. Hi guys. It's 8 a.m. and we've arrived. Clark. Bakit, Clark? Nag-relapse pa yung mga kasama ko. Medyo masakit daw. Okay lang yan, Dre. Wala. Hi, the camera! Say, paano flying kiss? Flying kiss. Ganon yung flying kiss. So we're having breakfast at chicken. Sponsored by... Uy, ang dami mo namang in-invite. Akala ko tayo-tayo lang.
Pinambili ko na lang ng
camera.
ginto.
Thanks, Tito J. Happy birthday to you. God bless you. We're here at Aqua Planet.
Hey, Worthies!
We're here at Aqua Planet Pampanga.
Yes.
So, it's our first time here.
1, 2, 3, yeah!
Drip check. Uy, ang ganda ng forma mo ngayon ah. Say hi! Say hi, mommy! Hi! Aqua Planet! Market? Tito J, where are you?
Hello!
Joanne!
Put your hair.
Pagod na si Uncle J!
Naamoy ko na ang tagumpay. Uy, susubo na.
Ayan na sila! Mga aesthetic! Wow! Saan ka galing, ma? Ang ganda naman ang lipstick mo.
Ganun talaga. Galing kasi ang party. May laptop pa ho ako. Ano ba yan?
Okay, so we're here inside the cabana. Tapos, palit na siya. Sabi ko, ayun mo yung pang swimming ko. Saan ang ride?
Pero ito guys, ito kasi dual purpose.
Para magmamotor ka eh.
Oo nga eh. Pagka-slide ko, angkas na hanggang.
Kami magpahatid sa'yo ganda.
Oo nga eh.
Si Malay lalakarin.
Buisit na.
Ay, pala yun. We're ready to swim. Fit check. Kilikili check. Ang ibang ihip ng hangin kanina. Wow! So, yung pamilya ko, nasa Pangasinan na sila.
Let's go.
Here we go. Okay, we're waiting for, I don't know what we're waiting for, but we're gonna swim and I'll show you around later. Okay, we're off to our first slide.
First slide is
Call the slide.
the single person slide.
What?
And this is the lazy river, just like the Splash Island as well.
I don't know that.
Okay.
I haven't been there. Okay, so it's called Octopus Racer. Hi! Okay, so now we're gonna try the first slide. Hi, Anna! Anna! Ang taas! Gusto niyo pa ba? How's your experience? Very scary.
It's awesome!
Just finished the octo shit. Was fun naman. So the next one would be the lazy river.
River.
Chill muna, chill.
Hindi na makasama. Ay ko sa akin. Adult. Una ka po kasi Gina. Dapat itaas mo yung paa mo ba? Ano nga malalim? Okay, ikaw.
There's no current though.
Ang gala talaga.
Hi, can you hear you? Hello guys, it's my day off today. Let's ride! Sobrang bigat ah.
Wala nang gubuhat.
Do you feel any pressure?
I feel so much pressure, right?
How about you, sis? Ayoko na! Bakit natulog tayo sa akin dito? Wala yan! Para lang mahulog yung tiyan mo. Are you ready, guys? Yay! Dito! Mga ilan ba? Paano pa? Go, 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 go! That's right! Let's go, tornado! Kuya, paano daw pag binitawan na siya? Kaya mo yan!
Pag nagsuko ko, hindi ka namin kilala.
Now the end is near.
Bigla yan!
Next ride!
Oh, pag pina-flash ka. Pina-flash ko? Pina-flash na po. Mabilis to.
Flying Eagle. Saba! Saba, saba, saba! Saba sa gilid ka eh! Saba! Oh! Oh! Saba!
Okay, tara na.
Hi. So, aftermath.
Nahagis ako sa surf. Medyo nakakahiyang
You should
experience
you
yun.
should catch the free fall slide.
Actually, it's raining.
God damn, parang siyang extreme ng EK.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye!
It's raining now. Come again.
Thank you, Aqua Planet. May vlog si ate.
Ah, hindi nagsusubscribe. Nag-enjoy ka, sabihin mo yes.
And it's now raining. It's 5 years kasi. Papatayo kami dito ni Chesca. Huh? So, katabi siya ng Mirage Hotel. Asa yung car?
Sumasakit
Asa yung car?